What's up guys, welcome back into the channel. Today we're exploring a new 10x potential pre-sale known as Launchpad.xyz. This is on the ERC20 network. It's going to have 10 pre-sale phases and the launch price is double of what the current price is. Now, some interesting facts about this particular coin is that by 2025 they strive to onboard 10 million plus users, achieve a market capital of 10 billion as well, which is super exciting. They also want to become a top 10 cryptocurrency in the overall space. So just been live for a few days, already raised a whopping $141,000, and we can see listing price is 0.07, which is actually pretty much double of what we are seeing now. So the current price is 0.035 and it's a really early time to get in. There's only 13 days for this particular coin. Of course, do your own research and due diligence. It's never financial advice. This is a coin we are looking at today. So it says Launchpad provides all the tools users need to be successful in Web3, from insights and learning through to trading alpha, analytics and strategy. Now they are planning to get launched or featured at least on multiple news websites, as you can see Cointelegraph, News Bitcoin, The Economic Times, Crypto News and a few others. So really cool pre-sale so far. How to buy the LPX token. So the LPX token is available to buy in pre-sale before it effectively gets listed on public exchanges. You as a potential holder, this means you're getting in nice and early at a lower unit cost than the public, at least in the future, and at least that is the speculation. So you can buy this coin of Ethereum or BNB, so that's good. It means it's on both networks and you can basically also buy it with USDT. Convert that straight into your LPX tokens. Alternatively, you can also buy with card. If you're low on crypto, you can actually use your card through some services like Transact and other things like that. So Launchpad key features. They're providing all the training required to be a successful trader and empowering Web3 users of any experience level to maximize their profit potential. So you're going to see a trading edge over here on the left. You're going to see a terminal. Once you've created your own trading framework, you can use their blazingly fast trading terminal to execute trades at optimal time. And they also have a Perpetual decentralized exchange where they're going to attract market leading liquidity providers to ensure your trades complete fully on the Launchpad DEX. All of Web3 in one place. So Launchpad makes Web3 human by simplifying a complex world into one familiar home. Discover how things work, what the risks are, and how to operate safely. Get the edge in trading. So, a lot of people using trading, they don't actually know what really the exchange is and how it operates. So ever wondered why an asset suddenly pumps or dumps? Imagine you have. Heard of the term liquidity zone, but not sure how to find them? Launchpad has a mission, and that is to make sure anyone can understand how the Web3 markets work and how to create your own trading framework to give you the best chances of success in the markets. This will help you also understand market moves, more detail and better analysis methods as well. So very important. Launchpad is also offering a lot of extensive education where you can actually learn with them. So they're going to support users in learning and understanding the Web3 ecosystem, from in-depth analytics and insights to news and market sentiment, showing which projects could be the next BAYC with significant financial upside. Discover what's next with LQ. So maybe you're tired of having to use 5 to 10 different platforms to get all the right information. This will help you snipe, scrape and prospect the crypto markets. So you can use the LQ, which is a single metric called Launchpad quotient, even correct, to show you what's hot and what's not in the market. So it's going to save you time and effectively help you make more money because you're saving valuable time. Play to earn is also going to be a big thing. Brands, they're going to create and curate. Launchpad uses industry standard processes to provide the tools, pricing and delivery schedules to fit in with how agencies work, enabling brands to deliver world-class Web3 experiences in weeks, not just months. So a lot of cool stuff here, guys. A lot of cool stuff indeed. The roadmap is obviously to make sure that Web3 is accessible and better for everyone in the future as this particular space grows more and more. So 2023 Q2, already done the token contract deployment, Inside Edge newsletter live, Web3 wallet already done. Moving into Q3, we're going to see a Launchpad feed, app launch party. We're going to see the token directory, metaverse library, NFT directory, a gaming hub, and brand experiences. Moving into Q4, we will see a DEX, token will unlock, presale directory. We'll see Launchpad quotient, learn with Launchpad. And then moving into the 2024 next year, we're going to have a trading terminal, trading edge game, trading competition, well as digital asset loans. And we'll also even see an NFT DEX, fractionalized asset creation, and fractionalized asset exchange, which is super bullish. Now we can also see on the website, fully docs, we know who's behind the team. I believe the CEO is Terence Riraudo. I hope I did not just butcher your name. The Launchpad team is comprised of industry leaders, so all these guys know exactly what they're doing in the crypto world. We've got COO Alexis Garcia, and we also have CEO, engagement officer, not the CEO, Adam Norbury, and a few other cool guys just chilling there, making sure that all the cogs are spinning, everything's operating fine. Launchpad Alpha. So in trading, alpha means outperforming the market. Launchpad is here to help you learn what really has an impact on your ability to generate yield from Web3. So there's a few FAQs here, some asked questions. Why Launchpad? What is Web3 anyway? And then you've got the trading basics. It's worth having a little look at, guys. So why Launchpad? They want to be the heart of the next wave of Web3 user adoption by focusing on two core values, independence and decentralization. They're here to help anyone use Web3 safely and to ensure users maximize the potential yield in the next bull run. So it's about learning, building, developing in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run, which is very, very important in my honest opinion. So Launchpad looks pretty cool. So yeah, we're going to see this one potentially raise a lot of money soon. And remember, it doubles in price at listing. So you're very early if you're watching this. A long-term bullish project at the same time. Very, very bullish long-term roadmap and great key features, which offers a lot of utility. Now we're going to explore the white paper. You should always explore white papers and tokenomics if you're looking at buying into a crypto or pre-sale. Now the link is down below to this one, but we're going to explore this together whilst we still got some time. Launchpad, your home for Web3. We see play to earn, we see top tokens here as well. What are the current issues with Web3? The Web3 market is fractured and intimidating sector for the average person to get involved with. It is DeFi, all that stuff, NFTs, trading. It is intimidating if you're just used to sitting there and counting banknotes or making quick cash deposits at your local bank. A relatively high level of technical knowledge is required to participate, and it's a complexity. So this complexity has stifled continued growth whilst allowing middlemen and rent seekers to control the space. Solution: a human approach. So Launchpad will solve this by creating the home of Web3, a humanized, curated portal that provides easy access to the best projects in the blockchain space, with the ability to self-custody any asset you own. From NFTs to play to earn games, Launchpad will provide an unbiased window into the latest and greatest experiences that the web has to offer. So the platform, of course, is rising of resale launches. We're going to see into the metaverse as well. We've got some things like Metapolis World, Rengar, Gods Unchained. Also got a long-term vision, curated view of Web3 for NFTs. So there are a plethora of platforms providing participants with partial access to Web3 ecosystem. Their mission is to become the central portal for individuals, so everyone can just use the Launchpad and get involved nice and easy. And see, we've also got some NFT collections over here. Key features: what will this ecosystem comprise of fully? You can see NFTs, fractionalized assets, utility tokens, pre-sales of Web3 projects, play to earn game hub, Metaverse Experience Library, a Web3 wallet, centralized exchange, NFT DEX, trading terminal, and a Launchpad, as well as AI search. A lot to get excited about for this particular coin. NFTs, of course, are very popular, and they probably always will be. There's going to be a marketplace as well as a revenue model where users are required to stake LPX to sell NFTs, increasing token demand and therefore the price as well. Fractionalized assets, buy and sell parts of the real world. In things like this before with land and real estate. So they're going to work with partners to custody, fractionalize any assets with proven historic value such as art, cars, real estate, and allow anyone to invest in the upside at the same time, which is also really, really bullish. We'll see utility tokens, in-depth data for hundreds of tokens, identify which exchanges have the best liquidity, identify opportunities for arbitrage, compare DEX liquidity to SEX liquidity, buy and sell tokens. You're going to get trading insights from top traders like copy trading, analysis, and also a lot of other cool stuff, I imagine. Token pre-sales, also very hot right now. People are getting into ICOs all over the place, just like this one. So it's also going to show protocol performance and market data for this particular area too. Play to earn game hub, of course. P2E tokens, play to earn. Passive rewards, very, very hot sector. GameFi as well, DeFi, very, very bullish. So they're really covering absolutely everything from metaverse to play to earn to Web3 to DeFi, NFTs, just absolutely everything that a person in Web3 or the crypto space would want. So easy to sign up, tokens, self-custody, interact with the dApps as well. Very, very exciting. The Launchpad quotient, this is something very interesting to look at. A single value to denote the risk, reward opportunity in any Web3 asset, using up to 400 data points, including moving averages, sentiment, volume, and many more. This is also a bespoke AI model, which will ascertain emerging patterns and alert users when an asset moves. Wow. There were the DEXs, the NFT DEX as well. Moving into the roadmap, we already looked at that one. I think we need to cover the staking model. So users staking a minimum monthly average of 10,000 LPX will receive discount on the fees, guaranteed access to whitelist of NFT mints, guaranteed access to pre-sales, access to partner discounts, and beta P2E access, as well as community badges. They're pretty cool to flex, right? Tokenomically, we're going to see token usage. So 250 million sold to the pre-sale, 125 million to the team, 150 million user acquisition, 400 million to the platform development, and 100 million to market making. Pre-sale raise usage is 250 million. So what's going to happen to that is 25 million will go to the team, 50 million to market making, 50 million to user acquisition, 50 million to marketing, and 75 million to the platform development, and the rest will be locked in over a long period of time. And I believe at least in stages of like 1 million every time Bitcoin goes up by $1,000 in the next crypto bull run. So we won't see any major sell-offs, at least I imagine. Of course, that's the ideal scenario. So that is a wrap really. Here is a little insight of the stages of this pre-sale. If you're getting at stage 1 nice and early, you are effectively lucky person, because you can have a lot of upside potential with this particular coin. You can see it goes all the way through to stage 10, and the price does go up in small increments of 0.0025, then it goes up by increments of 0.005 later on during the pre-sale. So there you have it, guys. Launchpad. Hope you enjoyed this particular pre-sale. If you want to do some research and grab this token today, you can use my link down below to enjoy getting during phase 1. And remember, nothing I say is financial advice. Remember, these pre-sales are of course volatile, and they are high risk, high reward entity. It does not guarantee results. Some pre-sales have rewarded people with over 2,000% gains and even more, but I can't guarantee what's going to happen with these coins. These are just opportunities I speculate in and also potentially get into myself. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Subscribe if you're new here, and see you soon. Bye.